You certainly know this video is about an awesome Mustang. I enjoyed seeing this thing roll in. Everyone there had a great time, and there is the very happy owner, Jesse himself. Yes, a 1971 Mustang Boss 351. It is a clone and deserves a closer look. Welcome to Road Odyssey and a very short video. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe and monitor my Facebook page for any current activities. I got a phone call from Scott Callaway of Callaway Customs in Paris, Texas, telling me that a beautiful Mustang will be arriving at Jesse's house. Now, Jesse is a huge car fanatic. He's drag raced and all that as well. Anyway, he's in the white t-shirt and gray shorts. Myself, Scott, and Jason Callaway and Cecil Tubb were all there to join Jesse as he received this super cool car. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this car and what it represents in just a minute. The 1971 Boss. This particular car is pretty close to the end of the Mustang in terms of its muscle car form for a very long time. There were, in 71, 1,806 built. The body design, including this specific hood design, was only for 1971. The engines were Cleveland's, which could be a 302, 351, 429. For the 71, this Cleveland was a 351. It had actually the higher output of the three, with 330 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque. Now, for this particular replica car, the horsepower is about 300, has a 4-barrel carburetor, and it's all connected to a 4-speed top-loader transmission. Jesse's clone is draped in grabber green metallic, has the white high back bucket seats. Up front, the hood has the hood hooks, Ram Air dual scoop hood, and the chin spoiler. Around back is the louvered rear window, short pedestal wing, and dual exhausts. Visibility in these cars are claimed to not be all too good, being that the hood is somewhat obstructive and the rear B-pillars are very wide, increasing that side blind spot. For Jesse, he sold a magnificent street rod Mustang just a little while back. This is basically a replacement and something that is more mild, and he can use this car perhaps for shows and just cruise in the streets. I am very happy for Jesse. This is going to be a great car. He does need to do a little tweaking with it. Not necessarily repair work, but just some maintenance work on it to get it perfectly up to snuff and to sound just right. And, you know, it's just going to be a magnificent car for him. I'm very happy for him. And I'm very happy that y'all decided to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. If you don't mind, view. That really helps. And with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.